Bom dia! Today we got invited by Sandro for something we've heard a lot of good things about from our guests, which is his ATV and buggy tour.
And before we give our Tommy Coconut seal of approval, we're gonna have to test these things out ourselves. It's part of the job.
What's very cool is that they're one of the few who have 6-person buggies as well, so you can go with the whole family. They also have these quad bikes. And they have 2-person buggies. Ready?
Ready.
Always working.
Yeah.
We've got such a warm welcome, and right now we've been riding the ATV and buggy tour for a few minutes, and we're at the first stop, the ATV&Buggy.
Hallo guys, ik ben Leons, Lorenzo. Hallo, welkom. Ja man, we zijn tourguides. We doen het al lange tijd man. 10 jaar?
10 plus.
10 plus. Van het bedrijf zelf, lange tijd man. Ja man, hier moet je komen. Je ziet al de kanten van de eiland. Rond de noordkust. Zeker uiteraard.
Ja, het is de beste manier om Curaçao te zien. Met de ATV's, buggies. En waar wij gaan, gaat niemand.
At the aloe vera farm, there's a little shop where they sell the products they make. They also sell the best banana bread here in the shop.
Daar beneden hè?
Wat is dat dan?
Het is een privépoeltje van ons.
Wauw.
Ja man, het is hidden. Het is echt hidden.
I just tested out the quad, and now I'm gonna test out this bad boy. Take a look at him.
This tour has been amazing so far. We made so many nice stops, and now we're gonna make the last one at Playa Canoa to have a nice and refreshing swim.
We got invited by ATV and Buggy Tours Curaçao to join their 3-hour East tour. First, we received a quick briefing on how these beasts work. Then we went to the aloe vera plantation, where our tour guides had so many fun facts to share. They're brothers, Leonardo and Lorenzo, and they made the tour go from good to great with their awesome energy. We then headed to St. Joris Bay. If you're lucky, you'll see kite surfers showing off their moves. One of the coolest stops was a hidden cave that even many locals don't know about. We kept drifting through stunning landscapes, feeling like off-road pros, until we reached Playa Canoa, the perfect spot for a dip in the warm sea and a refreshing cold drink to wrap up an epic day. We believe you can see why we highly recommend you to take this tour during your vacation.
Coconut.